Welcome to an SEO case study for a renewable energy company. My name is Ben Sisson and I am the MD and co-founder of Targeted SEO. In this SEO case study, I'm going to talk you through the work that we did for Cinergi, who are a local renewable energy installation company based in Hampshire, Southampton, UK. So let me jump over to our presentation to give you a quick overview of what we actually did for this particular business using our integrated 360 approach. So Cinergi first came to us in May 2022 when they had quite a basic, outdated website. So it's very clear that they needed a new SEO-led web design and development project where we developed a new search-optimized website from the ground up, which included on-page and technical optimization, dedicated server hosting, maintenance of the back end and front end as well. This included website management, so the business owners themselves did not need to touch the website at all. It was their intellectual IP, it was their property, but we managed the website for them. So this included uploading all content, making changes to the website. If they needed a new page edited or changed, then we can do that for them. It also included a retained SEO strategy where we worked very closely with their key stakeholders within the business. Even a third-party marketing consultant was involved, where we talked through the strategy and the roadmap for the next 3 to 6 months. The roadmap would always evolve, so there could be new services or areas that they wanted to push within the business. So we made sure that the SEO strategy really reflected that. Along with the strategy, there was a lot of research into new content, areas for the blog to target, and local SEO. So building county and city pages to target new areas for services such as air source heat pump installation or even solar panel installation. There was a lot of content creation. So our in-house copywriters created all of the content on the website. This included the service pages, blog content, even the about pages. There was also off-page SEO involved, where we optimized their Google business profile and built content on related blogs and niche websites, which link back to their service pages and even local pages to help pass relevance and authority and help search engines like Google crawl and index pages. Along with that, there was the monthly consultations and reporting. So we were always very transparent on what we were doing, giving visibility on the work that was being carried out. So during the time that Cinergi was a targeted SEO client, we got some fantastic results, which led to a 450% increase in organic traffic in the first 12 months, 363 position 1 keyword ranking positions, and an 828% increase in total organic keywords being found in the index. I'm just going to jump back over to the website and talk you through some of it. So we have all the key services linked on the homepage. We have all of the key services from the main drop-down. And we also have the blog as well down here, which was great for creating info content that people were maybe early on in their buying decision, but it helped build topical authority, linking through to key services within this content. There was also a lot of integration with CRMs like HubSpot. So we had to work with third parties to integrate HubSpot, which worked very well for them. So they could capture all of their data as well. I'm just going to jump over to give you an example of some of the content that we created as well. So we love using something called Surfer. And basically create all of our content in Surfer, which allows us to optimize and make sure that we get the right keywords in the content so we know it's got the best chance of generating clicks and impressions from organic search. If I jump over to our SEO software, I can actually show you the keywords and growth that the website has experienced. So in May 2022, the client became or partnered with Targeted SEO, and there's been significant Google updates during this time that we've had to contend with. But the website has seen some really nice growth as well, ending up with a large number of keyword ranking positions in the top positions. We're also seeing AI overviews appearing where content is being cited in Google's AI overviews. This website is also being picked up by large language models such as ChatGPT and Perplexity, and they're also generating leads as a result of this. And there's just pages and pages of position one AI overviews and ranking positions, which is great to see. So if you are a renewable energy company, perhaps you specialize in solar panel installation or even air source heat pumps, then get in touch with Targeted SEO. We do specialize in SEO for renewable energy companies, and we rank very highly for this term ourselves. I hope that gives you a demonstration of SEO for renewable energy company. Get in touch with Targeted SEO if you'd like to learn more. Thank you for watching.